Hey crafters, it's me, Jen Evers with Quality Crafts, and welcome to another week of 1 in 10 by Jen, from mailbox to masterpiece. If you're new here, it just means that you send in your scraps. I have 10 minutes to create a card for you. I stamp my information on the back and send the card back to you. So it's a really fun, interactive way for our community to stick together, and it's just super fun. So we're on week 166, and Debbie Evans has sent in her scraps. We're going to see what's in here. Oh, how appropriate. Fall stuff. That's awesome. So we've got some really fun ribbon. A cool little butterfly or moth maybe. Some flowery trim. This is beautiful. Look at that leaf. And then we've got a couple pieces of paper. How fun is that? Oh, I have a totally good idea for this. Okay. So you know what? Since your paper is square, I think I'm going to challenge myself to make a square card. So let me go ahead and make the card base quick. We'll start the timer. I've got time. I'm going to try to make it a 5x5 card. So we're going to need to make it 5 inches and then cut it down to 10 inches. Gotta move some of my tools over. Find my 10 here. All right, and then score at 5, so we have that size card. Okay. 5x5 card. I'm gonna cut this down. It's probably 6x6. So I think I want it like 4 1/4 by 4 1/4. And by doing that, I'm cutting off some pieces that I can use. So there's another piece I can use, and that goes in the center like this. And then on the outside, I'm going to use this one. But I'm going to use this one from the corner here. So I'm going to go almost 6x6, but not quite. Or I should say almost 5x5. Almost 5x5, but not quite. And let's see how that turns out. Awesome. Okay. I'm going to get a darker color of brown here. Get myself a scrap sheet. And dark brown. Let's go. I wonder if ground espresso will be too dark. Let's just go with it. Kind of mimic a little bit of the other page, so we have a little bit of dark brown in there. Love it. Okay, we're going to keep this nearby in case we want to do other pieces, other elements. Yeah, that was a pretty close match. Okay, so let's go ahead and give a little bit to the edges of these. We need a little bit more. That looks good. I'll try, because most of the time now I got my finger in all that ink. Try not to spread that ink around. But I really want to crumple this up. Okay. So that's kind of crumpled and going in the middle there, and then put this on the edge. There we go. Okay. So, glue. And if you're hearing snoring sounds, that's my French Bulldog in the background snoring. So the next piece is going to be really flat. So I'm trying to go a little bit flatter in the center here. But I want the corners, you know, everything else to be really crumply. Yeah. So go ahead and quick glue that one to the middle. Okay. This big one in here would be really cool, along with the little moth. Kind of a little mosaic-y here. This good little guy is going to bring back that pop of white that's around the edge. So we're definitely going to want to add a little bit of that. Maybe a little crisscross, a little kitty corner here. That would be really cute. And then some of this. I'm going to see if I can make a double bow and see how that turns out. That will work fine. That will work really well. All right, let's cut it off right there so we get rid of that little bend. Cute, so pretty. All right, let's get some of this down here because it's starting to really not want to be laying down here. And then we're going to add a little bit to the inside. So we want to make sure we've got room for that. Okay. I kind of want to pop this guy up a little. Let's add a little poppy to him. Pop him in. And then this little guy. I'm not going to worry if that glue goes a little bit outside. Should dry clear and be okay. And then this little guy, I don't know, is wet glue gonna be the best for this? Let's try it. I don't know if he's gonna stay. If he doesn't stay, then we'll use a glue dot, which is what I'm gonna use for the ribbon. Cute. Okay, is that butterfly gonna stay? I think so. Starting to look really cute. Let's go ahead and put a little bit on the inside. Awesome match for that. Very cool. We have enough that we can put a little bit of this on the inside as well. I knew that was going to happen. I have to put a little embellishment there so we can cover up that boo-boo. There we go. Awesome. So we got that covered up. I should probably wipe my fingers again. So I got glue on them and brown ink on them. All right. I have my towel here. I only have a few seconds left. Let's just look it over and see if... Oh, and I just bent my pin. There we go. I think we're going to have to be done here. There goes the timer. So let's take a look at this. Cute. I maybe should have put a little brown on the leaf. That is super fun. I feel like everything slid down a little bit. It's a little off balance, but I'm okay with that. Fun stuff. Who sent this one in? Debbie Evans. How neat. I could have gone like a lot longer on this one. So much fun stuff to do. So what I have left here, and I think I just threw out a little scrappy-doo. Yeah. I have a little bit of these papers left, these nice brown edges. This one has some little butterflies on it. And some of the ribbon. So we'll save this for crop in the new year, 8 p.m. to midnight Central Standard Time on New Year's Eve this year, 2020, going into 2021. And I will put my information on the back of this card and make sure to send it back to Debbie Evans. So if you're interested in doing that, the link to our group in Facebook is listed in the description box below. We're called Koala Tea Crafts there, as well as pretty much everywhere else. To see more videos like this, obviously check my channel out. I've got 10-minute cards as well as 5-minute cards. So if you're interested in seeing it done even faster, check those out. And that series is over because this one took over, but you can go back and check out all those other ones. Don't forget, our sales, our crafty online sales, are on Jen Evers YouTube right here, and they're every other Saturday. So in the month of October, if I think these are still going to be in October, these videos I'm doing right now, we have one October 3rd, 17th, and the 31st. If this goes into November, then we will be having one November 14th, November 28th. Again, if anything changes, it's going to be posted in our group, so it's really important that you join there. It's commitment free, it's drama free. All you have to do is just be a part of it. It's a really easy way for us to disseminate, and it's fun because we post a lot of different things in there, questions and polls, and there's swaps and lots of things to keep you busy. If you want to support this channel and this community because you love it, you've been a part of it, or you just ran across us and you're like, wow, this is really for me, you can support us on patreon.com/Koala Crafts, also listed in the description box below. Then you just give us your best pledge. We'll put you into the group, and you'll get 12 free digis a year, and then all kinds of other perks that come along with being in that group. So I hope that you'll consider joining some of the things that's a part of our community, and I cannot wait to see you guys next video.